Hello guys, welcome to Logical Programming YouTube channel. Challenge 5. Write a program to print a nested list. So they have given input n is equal to 3 and number of rows should be 3. 1, 2, 3. And the number of elements also should be equal to 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the 3 elements, 4, 5, 6, 3. 3 elements, 7, 8, 9 or 3 elements. So now n value is 3 and number of rows should be 3 and the number of elements in the first row should be 3, second row should be 3 and third row should be 3. So this is how we have to print the nested list. Using this input we have to print the output as in the form of nested list. So now we will write the logic for this one. So now I'm going to take n is equal to 3 as n is equal to 3 is for number of rows. So now for I in range of n, so now a is equal to list of map of int comma input dot split. So now I am splitting on the basis of space. So now I'm going to take this one as like this one and I'm taking one empty list here. So now I'm going to append the elements what I'm taking here and then printing L1. So now we'll check this one. So we have to take the number of elements 1 space 2 space 3. Yeah, we are getting a nested list, but the input format should be how, like this. The input format should be like this: 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 8 9. So right, so now I'm going to take this one as like this. So now I'm going to take n is equal to int of input. So now I'm going to take the elements, 3 inputs. So number of elements should be equal to 3. So 1 space 2 space 3, 4 space 5 space 6 and then 7 space 8 space 9. So we have to get the output as like this, right? 1 2 3 is a nested list, 4 5 6 is a nested list, 7 8 9 is a nested list. So now what is happening inside this one? So now for I in range of n value is nothing but here 3 and then one empty list I'm taking here for I in range of n. So how many possibilities we are having? 0 1 2 3 possibilities. So what does it mean, the single line? So list of map of int comma input dot split, what does it mean? So now we are going to take the first input as like this, right? The first input as like this, 1 comma 2 comma 3. So now this is a nested list, so we have to insert into the list. So now for that purpose I am taking input in the format of 1 space 2 space 3. So I am taking the input as like this. So now I am taking the input as like this. So list of map of int, see here this is the integer object and this is the list object. So now for mapping these two we are using one map keyword and map, and using this map only we are connecting the relation between list and int object. So now by taking the input from the keyboard as like this 1 2 3 and I'm splitting on the basis of space. So that's why I have taken here spaces inside 1 2 3. So now I'm taking the first one as like this. So it's going to print the output as, so it's going to append the L1 dot a. So a value as like this, I have taken a value as like this, right? So now internally what happens means it's considered like this and it's inserting into the L1. So now if we consider this one as L1, so now this is the L1 and you'll be getting output as like this. So this is this one. And now for taking I value is equal to 1, we are going to take the input as 4 5 6, 4 space 5 space 6. So for taking input in the form of this format we are going to use list of map of int comma input dot split. So now we are getting the output as like this, 4 comma 5 comma 6 and then I is equal to 2. For I is equal to 2 possibility we are going to take the output as like 7 space 8 space 9, right? 7 space 8 space 9. So we are getting the output as, we are appending the values to the L1. So now you are getting the output as 7 comma 8 comma 9. So this is how we have to get the output when we execute this one, right? So when I execute this one, I have to take number of rows should be 3 and number of elements should be 3, and yeah, this is how we have to print the nested list by using the given requirement. Thank you for watching this. If you like this, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.